Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow.
Come on over, right this way.
Thank you. Thank you.
You guys can leave your things right over there.
My name's Hiccup.
Nice to meet you, Hiccup.
Nice.
Chief of the village. Yeah, no.
Yes!
It's,
Oh
you
my
know,
God.
we're figuring it out still, but I think I'm doing okay.
Huh. Toothless. I could have sworn you had... teeth.
Is this your first time meeting a dragon?
Yes, actually, I'm.
Okay, no, that's great. That's great. I mean, we're kind of dragon experts here in Berk.
Yeah.
Would you agree, bud? Yeah, well, I know. He's taught me quite a bit. So you don't want to run up to him, okay?
Okay.
Approach him slowly and calmly.
Okay.
Bro, let him come to you. That's it. Ah, brilliant. There it is. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you approach a dragon for the first time.
Hey, Toothless. Yeah, happy to see you too, bud.
You picked a pretty great one to say hello to, isn't that right, bud? Yeah. What would we do without you here in Berk, huh?
You ready?
Enjoy the rest of your day in the village, and who knows, maybe you'll be training a dragon of your own someday?
This is Berk. It snows 9 months of the year and hails the other 3.
Well, it rains 9 months out of the year and it hails the other 4, so...
You do that very well.
Thank you so much. We spend a lot of time with them. So.
Sure. I love that. Dragons.
Now we're friends. I'll see you around, okay?
We have dragons.